How to bypass Windows 7 password. Insert the CD or DVD into your computer. Press the F2 key repeatedly until you've reached the BIOS. Select the Boot tab. Select the CD-ROM drive option. Press the plus key until CD-ROM drive is first. Press the F10 key to save your settings. Select your language and click Next. Click Repair your computer. Select your Windows installation and then click Next. Click the Command Prompt link. Type regedit and press Enter. Click HKY_local_machine. Click the File menu. Select Load Hive. Type %window%system32\config\sam. Click Open. Type temporary. Click OK. Navigate to the user registry key. Double-click F in the right panel. Find the line that starts with 0038. Change 11 to 10. Click OK. Eject the Windows DVD. Restart the computer. Click the Administrator account. This will give you full administrative access to Windows.